Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best portable generators you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Westinghouse Gen 7500 Portable Generator with Remote Electric Start. Product feature: runs on gasoline fuel. 9000 starting wattage. 7500 running wattage. Weighs 200 pounds. Fuel capacity 6.6 gallons of gasoline. 16-hour total running time. The Westinghouse Gen 7500 portable generator is easy to use and highly durable, with an astounding 9000 watts of starting power and 7500 watts of continuous power. With a remote start, recoil and electric start options, and as long as 16 hours of running time with a full fuel tank, the Gen 7500 stands in a class of its own. The Gen 7500 generator is a wonder of gas-powered energy with 9000 starting watts and 7500 watts of ongoing power. The generator itself is encased in a sturdy steel frame featuring roll bars resistant to wear and tear. It also sports a cast iron sleeve to protect the generator and make it easier to transport from one location to the next. Because the fuel tank is so large, you can run the generator for 10 hours or more if you keep it at a 50% load, which is especially helpful if you're trying to power large appliances. The portable generator is also very fuel efficient, so you can switch it on at low temperatures. We also appreciated that the product has an automatic low oil shutdown feature, which will turn the generator off in case of overheating or low fuel levels. Pros: high starting and running wattage, runs for long, fuel efficient, good for large appliances like air conditioners and power tools. Cons: at 200 pounds. It can be difficult to move around. Can be tough to start up at first. Number 2. Honda 2200 watt portable inverter generator. Product features: 4000 revolutions per minute to 4500 revolutions per minute engine speed. Compression ratio of 8:5:1. 12 volts and 100 watts. 83.A. DC output. 20A 120 volts duplex receptacles. Forced air cooling system. 95 gallon/3.7 liter fuel capacity. 3-year residential warranty. If you're searching for a quiet generator option with an engine that won't keep you awake on long camping trips, this genset by Honda EU2200i might be the pick for you. Also, these guys are known for making the best portable generators. Featuring the mighty Honda GXR 120 engine, the Honda EU2200i can keep even the most power-sucking appliances going for hours. This perfectly fits the box of a backup power supply. The Honda EU2200i is easy to start, with an automated mechanical decompressor for simple user operation and maintenance. The product has 10% more power than its predecessor version, with 2200 running watts of ongoing capacity to help you keep a range of devices running all at the same time. This is the best generator if you are looking for heavy-duty needs. The GXR 120 engine was originally designed for heavy-duty construction power needs, making the generator version reliable with plenty of longevity of use. Noise is often a frustration with portable generators, with some engines being far louder than others. The Honda EU2200i is far quieter than other products on the market currently, making it a perfect choice for power at home, when camping, or on the road in your RV. Pros: very quiet when in use, lightweight and easy to carry, easy to start, low fuel shutdown mechanism, powers both high power and more sensitive devices. Cons: 3.2 hour on time at rated load is a bit low. Number 3. Duramax XP12000, a heavy-duty portable generator. Product features: 4,400 running starting wattage, 3,500 running wattage, made for heavy-duty purposes, gas-powered portable generator. If you are in search of a portable unit that you can use for household emergencies, then you should not overlook this particular generator. This dual-fuel unit can operate either on gas or fuel. It is ideal for everyday use, as well as for unforeseen backups. You can take this model when going camping or for any other outdoor activities. It is a great power source to use in case of unexpected blackouts. A potent 457cc overhead valve engine powers this tool. The model features a completely loaded power panel that allows you to use whopping 12,000 watts of the maximum power. The device is tremendously powerful, as it can back up all your basic appliances, as well as the comfort ones, in case of any unforeseen outages. It ensures maximum comfort and allows you to continue with your daily routine, even during extended periods of power outages. Besides, the product comes with a 1-year warranty if utilized for commercial use and a 3-year one if used at home. Thus, you're fully covered against any problems with the tool. Also, the manufacturer provides a satisfaction guarantee of 30 days on every retailed item. Pros: good for recreational and household power. Fuel efficient and has large fuel capacity. Multiple outlet options. Impressive running wattage and horsepower. Gas-powered portable generator. It automatically shuts off with low oil. Very long run time. Cons: larger to maneuver, is not carb compliant. Number 4. Champion Power 3800 watt portable generator with electric start. The 3800 watt dual fuel generator by Champion Power Equipment is a force to be reckoned with a 224cc engine that can run on either propane or gas. The Champion 3800 watt dual fuel RV-ready portable generator is perfect to give you extra power at home or on the road. You can run the generator on either propane or gas as you prefer, making it easy to alternate between both sources of fuel without risking hazard. There are many hazards associated with running anything that emits fumes, including the silent killer, carbon monoxide poisoning. When run on gasoline, the portable generator's 224cc engine has a 4,750 starting wattage and 3,800 running wattage. The 3,800 watt dual fuel generator has the capacity to run for a full 9 hours with a 50% output if the 3.4 gallon tank is sufficiently fueled. The portable generator has a rather loud 68 bar noise level, similar to the hum of a vacuum. The generator also features an IntelliGauge system, letting you keep an eye on runtime hours, hertz, and voltage. Pros: carbon DPA compliant, runs on dual fuel, good fuel efficiency, impressive running time. Cons: heavy to maneuver, can be very loud when in use. Number 5. Generac 15,000 running watts electric start gas-powered portable generator. The Generac 5734 GP1750E is a heavy-duty machine that packs strength and dependability into one model with its 992cc OV-registered engine, weighing in at 390 pounds. This 17,500 watt generator is outfitted with a 16-gallon tank. This can operate for 10 hours at half load. It is capable of clocking 26,250 watts at full max output. This means that it can power average-sized homes with ease and even supplies more power than some household standby generators. Expected to be able to handle several appliances on its 16-circuit system. This system includes 4 120 volts outlets, one 120 volts 30A outlet, one 120 240 volt outlet, and one 12V DC outlet. The 5734 GP1750E is equipped with a 12V DC 365cc battery for easy startup. Despite its size and weight, portability is taken into consideration with its steel frame and handle with an included wheel kit. The generator might not be the quietest around, but many customers have found that the included muffler does a great job of keeping the noise at an acceptable level. There is also a maintenance kit to keep it running for years to come. The unit is covered by a 2-year limited warranty. Pros: the unit can reach a peak power output of 26,250 watt. The display panel gives you all the information needed. An electric button is all you need to turn it on. Massive wheels are added to move the unit around. Cons: the unit is the most expensive we could find. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.